Honestly, one of the biggest shortfalls when using Adobe and their own transcription process is the accuracy and oftentimes the flexibility of how it can be used. So within KreateFlo, you will have another feature called VoxScript that gives you access to significantly more models and much more advanced models that are available outside from different vendors, right? If you go here, you'll be able to see we have Whisper, multiple different kinds of Whisper, and we also support APIs from Assembly AI, Speechmatics, and Deepgram Nova. Now, Deepgram Nova is one of the best currently that's available in the market, so I'm just going to show you how that works, right? Once you've chosen Deepgram Nova, you go to Settings, and as you see, there's a place here where you're supposed to put your API key. Now, for your API key, what you can do is just go to Deepgram in their website. I'll sign up for free. Use strong password. I am not a robot. I'm not doing really well with captchas these days, but let's. Oh, I'm not a robot. Okay, it has sent me a verification code. Nice. All right, my email is verified. I'm just going to skip through this. Speech to text. All right, now we're inside Deepgram. Once you get to the Deepgram website, and you'll be able to see that they have $200 of credit available to you for use for free. And honestly, you can use that for a long time because they don't really charge a lot for this. So now if you go to API keys, you can create new API key. I'm just going to name it test, expiration date, duration. I'm just going to put it 1 day. I'm just going to create the key. Okay, my key is ready. All right, I have copied it, and I'm going to go back to my Premiere Pro, go here, paste, save changes, and it should be here. For languages, it's on auto detect, and for output, you can choose between quite a few other languages. Honestly, we have more coming in. You can choose from these what output you want, where the video is going to be in one language, and the subtitle you'll be able to show in a different language. But here, I'm just going to put same as input default. Here, you'll be able to see the approximate length of the content that you'll be editing, and transcription range. I'm going to select full sequence. If you have in and out points, you can select that. And placement, sequence start. If you want to have in point, you can choose a specific point for the transcription process. So once I have everything set up, I'm just going to transcribe, and I'm going to show you the reflow lines set up once it's transcribed. All right, it's done. Now if you go here, you see all the subtitles are here. Now we can go and see how we can change the flow and how we can adjust the subtitles, right? Because here you see the lines per card is 1. Now you can choose 2 or 3. I'm just going to choose 2. And words per line is 8. Let's do 5. And you can choose if you want to split by punctuation or split by silences. Let's just keep both selected here and press reflow and import, right? Once we do, you'll see that we have created a new layer. So I'm just going to disable my first layer. And as you can see, I have an entire new subtitle track that has been created for me with the settings that I had added beforehand. And that's it for this. Now, this transcription that you have done here can be used throughout the entire plugin. Whenever you need any kind of transcription, you can always call back to this one and use this instead of retranscribing the video again.